And more news coming in from Jammu. A landslide has occurred in Vaishno Devi's Ardkuwari area. Some injuries are feared. Rescue operations are underway along with the required manpower and machinery. And the photographs that you see on your screens are from Ardkuwari area, which is en route to Vaishno Devi temple. And India Today, Sunil Ji Bhatt is with us. Sunil, do tell us, because this route that we see and the visuals that we see, it seems the landslide broke through the barriers and through the roof and came onto the route to Vaishno Devi. It's an extremely secure route. I've also traversed this route. It is an extremely secure and a very cemented kind of an area. So this must have been a landslide that caused quite a bit of damage.
Anjali, as I said, that unprecedented rains are being witnessed in Jammu region, and it has triggered landslides and shooting stones at many places, particularly on the highways and important roads. And we are getting this tragic news that there has been a landslide on the Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra track near Ardkuwari, and visuals that are coming from there are very horrific. And what we are learning from our sources is that many pilgrims are feared to be injured, and the injured pilgrims are being taken to the hospitals in Katra. Rescue operation is on, but Anjali, rains have wreaked havoc in many parts of Jammu and Kashmir, and as far as the Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra is concerned, the Yatra has been stopped due to inclement weather and continuous rainfall. As I said, it has been raining cats and dogs in Jammu region for last more than 12 hours, and that is why there have been landslides in hilly areas, and streets in the plains have been inundated. Water level in most rivers are, flowing near the danger mark, and people are facing a harrowing time. Streets have been flooded. Water from the swollen rivers have entered the residential areas, and people, some people are stuck in the flood waters, and that is why rescue teams from the SDRF, Jammu and Kashmir Police, have been mobilized. Absolutely. And they are visiting different areas in the low-lying areas, and people who are stuck in flood waters are being rescued by the teams from the SDRF and Jammu and Kashmir Police.
Right. Thank you, Sunil, for all those details. So the visuals that you see on your screen are truly scary. Fury off the river there, and also Yatra, which is an all-weather Yatra that happens all through the year, has to be now stopped because there's been a landslide on the Vaishno Devi route.